Thank you very much. It's a great honor to be with the President of Uzbekistan. I just want to thank you very much for being with us.
Yangi O'zbekiston barcha davlatlar bilan o'zaro hamjihatlik, ochiq muloqot va yaqin sheriklik tarafdoridir.
Mening ismim Sitora va men Alistar akademiyasining 1 oylik kurslarini o'qiganman.
Mani ismim Mohir, men Alistar akademiyasining 1 oylik kursini tugatganman.
Mani ismim Abdulloh, men Alistar akademiyasining 1 oylik kursini o'qib tugatdim.
My name is Shohjahon and I studied in Alistar Academy for 1 month.
My name is Azam and I studied in Alistar Academy for a month.
Hozirda Alistar kompaniyasida ish boshlaganimga 3 oy bo'ldi.
Alistar Tracking kompaniyasida 1 oydan beri Fleet bo'limida ishlayapman.
Hozirda men Alistar Tracking kompaniyasining Fleet Department bo'limida 1 oy davomida ishlab kelyapman.
Currently, I've been working in HR department of Alistar Tracking Company for a month.
And right now, I'm working at Alistar Tracking Company for about 2 months.
Dars jarayonining sifatliligi va do'stona muhit menga juda yoqdi.
Alistar akademiyasida o'qish jarayoni va atmosferasi juda ajoyib bo'lganligi uchun men chetni tanladim va o'zini kompaniyasiga ega bo'lganligi uchun chetda ishlashga qaror qildim.
Men bu kompaniyani tanlashimdan maqsad bu yerdagi barcha ishchilar bir-birlarini qo'llab-quvvatlab, o'z yordamlaridan ayashmas ekan.
There were several things I liked about Alistar Academy. The first is friendly atmosphere and interactive lessons.
In Alistar Academy, I learned a lot of things from Mr. Danior. Afterwards, I went to practice where I also gained a lot of knowledge and experience.